Hello children, it's me Seema Singh from St. Xavier Senior Secondary School from Hardoi. Children, before starting my topic, I want to request to all of you, if you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the new notification. And if you like my video, please like it and share it. Today's my topic is celebration. It is applicable for class 1 subject GK. Let's come to the topic. Today's topic is celebration. First of all, I want to tell you about the celebration. Children, as you see this picture, can you tell me which type of picture is this? Anyone? Yes, this is a birthday pic. So, there are so many children in this picture are celebrating a birthday of one child named Amar. Once again, I want to ask you one question, that on the occasion of your birthday, what do you do on this day, or how you celebrate your birthday every year? Tell me, anyone? Cake, yes. Balloon, okay, good answer. Okay, now I will tell you about this celebration in a proper way. Children, first of all, you invite your friends. Then you arrange all the things whatever required in your birthday. Then you decorate your room in a proper way. In the last, you cut the cake and distribute all the cake among the children. And children wishing you like that, happy birthday to you. This is the way you celebrate your birthday. It's called celebration. In a simple way, we can say that the act, it is a process of showing your joy, your happiness, your appreciation as a social event. It's called celebration. Now, understood all of you about the celebration? Tell me, understood? Okay. Now, let's come to the next topic. Our next topic is National Festival. Children, as you know, in our India, there are main 5 national festivals. First one is Republic Day. Second one is Independence Day. And third one is Gandhi Jayanti. Fourth one is Children's Day. And fifth one is Teachers' Day. Do you know about this national festival? If you don't know, I will tell you about these 5 national festivals one by one. The first national festival is this Republic Day. As you see in this picture, Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. On this day, President of India takes a salute of Grand Parade held at Rajpath in New Delhi. Next one is Independence Day. Children, you know why we celebrate this festival as a national festival? Because India got freedom from British rule on this day. So people like to celebrate this day as a Independence Day. And on this day, in your school also, there are so many cultural programs held. Third one is Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2 October every year as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Why we celebrate this day as a Mahatma Gandhi? Because Gandhiji is called the father of nation. So people like to celebrate his birthday as a Gandhi Jayanti. Next one is Children's Day. As you see in this picture, Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year as the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Why we celebrate this day as a Children's Day? Because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much. So children like to celebrate his birthday as a Children's Day. And on this day, in your school, there are so many programs held like that: dancing, singing, playing game. It means related to the children. And fifth one is Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5 September every year as the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, because he was a great philosopher of India. So people like to celebrate his birthday as a Teachers' Day. Now, do you know? All of you know na, about this national festival properly? Tell me which one. First one is Republic Day. Yes, then Independence Day. After that, Gandhi Jayanti, Children's Day. At the last, Teachers' Day. Okay. I hope you all of you will learn about this festival by this video. Let's come to the activity part. Your first activity is match the following. First one is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on which date every year? Tell me. Yes, 2 October is the right answer. Next one is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on which date every year? 26 January or 14 November? Tell me the answer quickly. Yes, 26 January is the right answer. Independence Day. It is celebrated on every year. Tell me which date? Yes, 15 August. Children's Day. Children's Day celebrated on which date every year? Now children, you all of you tell me answer. Yes, everyone say 14 November is the correct answer. Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on which date? See which one is left. Yes, 5 September. Now children, you all of you have seen that Advika has done this activity very nicely. So I hope you all of you will learn about this 5 national festival through this video properly. So children, keep watching. Thank you.